In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand or collapse parts of a Word document. This feature is perfect when you're working with long reports, manuals, or notes, and you want to quickly hide details so you can focus on the big picture. It keeps your document tidy on screen while leaving all of your content intact. Here's the key idea. Collapsing works with headings. If the text you want to hide sits under a heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3, Word gives you a small disclosure arrow next to that heading, so you can show or hide the body text beneath it. If you don't see that arrow, your text likely isn't styled as a heading yet. To get set up, select the line you want to act as a section title, then apply a built-in heading style from the Home tab. Heading 1 is great for major sections, heading 2 for subsections, and so on. The moment you apply a heading, you'll notice a little arrow appear to the left of that line. Click it once to collapse everything under that heading, so only the title remains visible. Click it again to expand and bring the content back into view. This does not delete or move anything. It simply changes what's visible while you work. When you need to manage the entire document at once, right-click any heading and look for the Expand Collapse options. From there, you can expand all headings or collapse all headings in one action. This is especially helpful before presenting or when you want a quick outline view without switching modes. For quick navigation, open the Navigation pane from the View tab. This gives you a structured outline of your headings on the left. You can jump directly to sections and also collapse or expand parts of the outline, which mirrors the structure in your document. If you do a lot of reorganizing, the Outline view under the View tab is another powerful way to promote, demote, and collapse sections while keeping their content together. A few tips to keep in mind. If a section won't collapse, verify the title is using a built-in heading style rather than manual formatting. Collapsed sections still print in full, so you don't have to expand everything before printing. And if you share the document, recipients using recent versions of Word will see the same collapsible headings you set up. That's all you need to keep lengthy documents manageable. Apply heading styles, use the arrows to show or hide detail, and take advantage of the right-click and navigation pane tools to stay organized and in control.